Hello children, welcome to computer class. Let us continue the chapter more on MSW logo commands. Till here we learned few commands in MSW logo. Now let us continue it. There is a command by name pen up and pen down. Now let us understand what is pen up command. Okay children, while we are writing with a pen, sometimes we lift the pen when we want to write somewhere else, isn't it? So to do this action in MSW, there is a command called pen up, with which you can move the turtle to another part of the screen without drawing a line. And when you are sure that you have reached the point from where you have to draw the line, there you can give pen down command, that is PD or PENDOWN command. After giving PD, that is pen down command, then as usual you can give FD space 100 and start drawing lines or drawing the shapes. So now we will see what is hide turtle command and show turtle commands. So you all know that there is a triangle shaped turtle on the screen. When you draw a shape or a line, the turtle starts moving along with the line. If you are drawing the square, even after completing drawing the square, the turtle will be visible at the last point where it stops. So if you doesn't want the turtle to be visible on the screen along with your shape, that is the square which you have drawn, you can hide the turtle by using hide turtle command. When you hide the turtle will not be visible on the screen. Next, after clearing the screen by giving CS, again if you want to draw a fresh or a next shape, then you want the turtle to be visible on the screen, then you can give show turtle command so that the turtle will be visible again on the screen. Now let us learn about pen erase and pen normal commands. Here we can also use the turtle like an eraser. It will erase everything along with the line as it moves. Pen erase command sets the mode of the pen as an eraser. After setting pen erase command, you have to use FD space 100 or 50 to move the cursor. So the cursor moves without a line because it is drawing a line, and at the back the eraser is erasing the line. So the line will not be visible because it is getting erased. After finishing erasing, again you want the turtle back without an eraser to draw a shape. Then you have to use the next command called pen normal. So once you set the command pen normal, the eraser gets off and then the pen comes back and you can draw the shape. Now let us learn about repeat command. You can clearly observe the picture. See, if you want to draw a square, these are the commands, that is FD 80, that is 80 steps you are moving forward, and then you are taking a right turn, RT space 90. After taking a right turn, again you have to move the turtle, that is FD space 80. Again you have to take a right turn, RT space 90. Like that 4 times you have to repeat the command. So instead of repeating the same commands for 4 times, because when you are drawing a square, you need the same commands 4 times because all the 4 sides are same. So instead of writing the commands 4 times, you can use repeat command. Now you can see how the repeat command looks. See, repeat space 4 space, open a square bracket, and what command you are giving or writing to draw a line, that is to draw a square, the same command you have to write it inside the square bracket. Before the square bracket you have to add repeat space 4 space. After that inside this square bracket you have to write that command. So it becomes a one line command instead of we writing 8 lines command to write or draw the square. So next, to draw a triangle, you can see the command there. Repeat space 3 space, open the square bracket, FD space 80 space RT space 120. So this is how we can use repeat command to draw any shapes.